If you're up on the fence about learning how email marketing can work for your business, then you don't want to miss out on today's video. Hi, my name is Jason Hopkins. I want you to be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future content. Now, at times you'll always hear things from other top earners. You don't need to learn how email marketing works. Just hire a copywriter to do all the work for you. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that's fine and all, but here's the problem with doing that. One thing is, do you have a budget that will allow you to invest frequently? Listen, email marketing is great for connecting with your leads, and plus, it's traffic that you control when you use things like autoresponders. So, and it's cheaper just to simply learn how email marketing works rather than hire some expensive copywriter, because if you look for other sources that are cheaper, then most likely, you're not going to get the results that you're looking for. So if you want to be in this, if you want to be in the digital marketing business for the long haul, I would suggest you buy books about copywriting. One book that I recommend that I'm also reading is called Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. You can buy it off of I read it. I have the hard copy, but I read it on Kindle. So I would suggest you buy it on Kindle. I feel that copywriting is a skill that every digital marketer should have under their arsenal. Just learn how it works, apply what you're learning, and teach it. That's it. And the best, like I mentioned before, it saves you a lot of money. So if you got value from my video, give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment below. And if you want to know my #1 recommended program, there's going to be a link below this video where you'll be directed to a page where you'll put your name and email. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.